Section 3.3.b is about calculating the volume of solid geometric figures, and the formulas are in your textbook. Let's look at this first one. Oops, I gotta get my calculator started. All right, now I got it. Find the volume if W, the width, is 15.5, the length is 32.55, and the height is 26.35. The volume is the length times the width times the height of a rectangular solid. So we'll just multiply those three numbers, 15.5 times 32.55 times 26.35. And we get that, and it says round to the nearest 100 cubic feet, so that would be 13,300. Let's look at the next one. Another rectangular solid. So we would take 21.62 times 9.4 times 14.1, and we get 2865, round to the nearest 100 cubic feet, so that'd be 2,900. Find the volume of a freezer, 6 feet 9 inches, or I'm sorry, 6.09 by 4.93 by 2.9, and we get 87.07 round. Doesn't say to round. I think I'm going to change that so it does. Round to 2 decimal places. Next one. An aquarium is 52.38 inches long, 19 inches wide, and 29 inches high. Another multiplication problem, 52.38 times 19.4 times 29.1, 29,570, round to the nearest 100 cubic inches, that'd be 29,600. Rectangular tank in a fishery, same kind of a thing. That's a pretty big tank, actually, in that fishery. 44.98 by 17.3 by 10.38, and we get 8,077 round to the nearest cubic meters. So that's okay. Now it's a cube, 11.7 on each side. So we could take in our calculator, we could just take 11.7 and then press the to the third, and then we would get 1601.6 round to the nearest whole number is 1602. Another cube. So this one would be 16.4 to the third, and we get 4410.9 or 4411. Next one, find the volume of a sphere. I'm going to need to put the formula in here for this one. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So in this case, we've got our fraction key. 4/3 times pi times r, which is 7.5 to the third, and we get 1767, round to the nearest whole number. Next one. Another volume of a sphere. So it's just like the last one. 4/3 times pi times 6.6 to the third, and we get 1, 2. Oh, I'm sorry, it's got a diameter of 6.6. So we have to take the 6.6 divided by 2. So it's 4/3 times pi times 3.3 to the third, because its diameter is twice the radius. And we get 150.5 to the nearest 10 would be 150. Next one. Find the volume of a cylinder. Okay. So you've got a cylinder. It's got a top and a bottom. The volume is the base times the height. So what is the area of the base? Well, that's pi r squared. So on our calculator, we would take pi times radius 58 squared times the height is 236, and we get 24,94122. Rounded to the nearest 1,000 would be 2,494,000 millimeters cubed. This is lesson 3.3.B.